Unlocking the potential of the Cointiply app can lead to real Bitcoin rewards without any financial investment. The first step is to register an account on their platform. Simply visit the website, fill in the required information, and confirm your email. This sets the foundation for your earnings journey, as a verified account enables access to various earning opportunities that can accumulate valuable crypto over time. Once registered, delve into the survey section. Surveys come in different lengths and rewards, and they are an excellent way to earn Bitcoin effortlessly. Choose surveys that match your interests, as they are often easier and quicker to complete. The screen fills with engaging questions that not only make the process enjoyable, but also lucrative, rewarding you with points that can be converted into Bitcoin. Next, explore the gaming opportunities available on Cointiply. The platform features a variety of games that promise fun while earning. Engage in these games, allowing your competitive spirit to flourish as you conquer challenges. Every level crossed and every achievement unlocked translates into earned points, further bringing you closer to real Bitcoin. Taking breaks to play also adds an entertaining dimension to your earning strategy. Consider participating in Cointiply's promotional activities. Engaging with promos can offer substantial points, making it an essential part of your earning arsenal. Whether it's following on social media, completing specific tasks, or joining in on the latest challenges, these promotions not only diversify your income streams, but also keep you engaged with the community. Another key area to tap into is PTC pay-per-click ads. Cointiply compensates users for viewing advertisements for a specified duration. This offers a simple way to earn while multitasking. Set aside a few minutes each day to click through the ads, as the cumulative rewards can noticeably boost your Bitcoin earnings over time. Lastly, active participation in community events and discussions can yield additional bonuses. Staying connected with other users, sharing tips, and participating in forums enrich the experience while potentially leading to unexpected rewards. The journey on Cointiply is rewarding and social. Every interaction has the potential to enhance your earnings and strengthen connections. If you this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell for more earnings potential videos. And check the link below. See you soon.